Okay, let me start recording. Now 26 people are there. Okay, anyway. So now see children, today's topic, see November month started, right? So this month we will be discussing strings, lists, tuples, okay, in Python. And dictionaries also if possible, right? String, what do you mean by a string? String is a sequence of characters which is enclosed between either single quote or double quotes. Python treats both single and double quotes the same, right? So if you start with a single quote, end with single quote. If you start with double quote, end with double quote. Okay, ma. So, so how to create a string? How to create a string? Directly take a variable and assign to it a string enclosed in single quotes or in double quotes. Okay. Let me show you. See here, I have opened my idle screen. Okay. So I'll be creating a new file. Suppose some is equal to computer science. Okay. Are you all able to see computer science? And some other string I'm giving. Yeah, Python programming. Okay, you can see no, first one I started with a single quote and ended with a single quote. Now next string I have started with a double quote and ended with a double quote. Now print S and then print T. So now what will be the output we will get here, children? Now it is 8:45. Now see children, see it is becoming a practice for you. I will be not allowing you after some time. Okay. See now it is 8:45. Still people are joining. Right now you see ma, what is the output? Is there any difference? Can you make out any difference from the first string and second string? Whatever, if it is started with a single quote or if it is started with a double quote, Python has no distinction. Okay, so for both are the same. Now Dimple and Rudransh, why late joining? What happened, Dimple and Rudransh? It is 8:45. You people are keep on joining and it is disturbing others. Okay. So let's proceed. Yeah. Computer science or see whatever the string, that is either if we have started with a single quote. Let me show you here. See, this is our program, right? So I started with single quote. Let me end with double quote. What will happen? You see, what is error? EOL, end of line. While scanning string literal, it is searching for a single quote, not for double quote, right? So end of line is missing. Interpreter is not able to interpret it properly. So if we have started with a single quote, end with single quote. If you have started with a double quote, end with double quote. Now let me show you one more. Yeah. So now here double quotes we started, no, but what is the ending? It should be ended with double quotes only, right? But here, what have I given? Single quote. So that is the end of line error. Okay. That is syntax error. Now let me execute and show you. Now it is proper. Yes or no? Right? Is it clear to everyone? So now let us try to access a particular element or a particular portion of it. So now print is 0. So here, whatever the string we take, no, if you take the indexing, index starts from 0 from the left to right. Okay, that is forward index. What is forward index? From left to right. Okay, from the beginning of the string till the end of the string. 0 is the starting index and it will go on 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Space also is one character. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that way it will be calculating. Now let us see the length of the string. So len is a function already defined. Just if you call that function, so here I'll write length of the string is, okay, Okay, children, are you all following? So this is the message I want to see on the output screen. And after beside this message, I want the result of this function call. Is it clear to everyone? So length of the string is this much as it is, it will display. And next is the value from this. Okay, so value from this is, see how many characters are there? Can you count? C is 1, O 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, children. So now let me show you output here. What is the length of the string? 16. Is it clear to everyone? So length is how many characters are there in that string. Okay. Whereas index starts from 0. So what is the last index if you are using forward indexing? Can someone tell me? Dimple, can you answer?
16.
0 से शुरू हो गया ना बेटा. See, count will be 1 से शुरू होगा. Count is always starts with 1, isn't it? So total characters are 16. Index starts from 0. What is the index of this small e? Which one I highlighted here?
Mom, 16.
It will be 15, dear. 15. 0 से शुरू हो गया ना. This is 0th index. Okay. Next O is 1 index.
Okay.
Next M is 2. P is 3. U is 4. T is 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Is it clear? So,
Yes, ma'am.
indexing starts from 0, but length is count of characters, number of characters. Is it clear? So length of the string will give you number of characters. See, what is the value at 0th index? Value at 0th index. Okay. What is the value at 0th index? How do we get? We use square brackets to get the value at that index. So in the string yes, we want the value at 0. So yes with subscript 0. Clear? So now we will get the value at the 0th index. What is the value at 0th index? Tell me in S. In S, in string S, what is the 0th character? What is the 0th character? Capital C. Okay, children. Yeah, capital C. Very good. So now you see value at 0th index is C. Got it? So here also we got the same thing. But here to make it more meaningful, when we look at the output, you write the appropriate message in the print. Got it, children? So now, what is the value at index 5 in the string S? Tell me, someone. Ayush will tell. Value at 5th index. That is 6th character. In computer science, what is the value at 5th index? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, what is it? It should be U. No, beta. 0 is C. 1 is O. 2 is M. Okay, 3 is P. 4 is U. 5 is T. 5th index. Value at 5th index is T. Okay, is it clear to everyone? आगे समझ में? Right. So now this is if you want to have value, a single value. Suppose if you want to have a range of values, okay, like from 0 to like from 2 to 3, 2 to 4, from index 2 to 4, okay, something like that. So from index 2 to 4. Now what is the substring we'll get? Yes, within square brackets, index 2 to index 4. Okay, so this operator, we call it as slice operator. Is it clear? 2 colon we are writing now, that colon is known as a slice operator. So now let us see the result. in COM computer science. So 0, 1, 2. 2 means M से शुरू होगा, ठीक है, and then 3. But see, when you are writing this fourth index, if you are writing as the, see, starting value, whatever we write with the slice operator, that is inclusive, but this is not inclusive. Terminating index is not inclusive. Okay, so that is 4 say less. Okay, what is the lesser value than 4? Smaller value than 4? 3. So that is 3 is included, but 4 is not included. But what is our intention here? From index 2 to 4 we should get. So what should I write here? 5 I should write. So 5 is excluded. Okay, lesser than 5 is 4. Till 4 we will get. Is it clear to everyone? Are you following? So then only we will get second index value, third index value, fourth index value. So if you want to have that fourth index, then what must be my terminating index? 5. Because less than 5 only it will take. Is it clear to everyone? Understood? Okay. So these are the things you have to keep in your mind. This is if you are using forward indexing. Okay, ma. So this is using forward index. That is from left to right. From left we have started and we have gone to right side. See, there is a provision in Python to have reverse indexing. That is in the reverse direction also. This is forward index. That is backward index. Okay. So now let us see using backward indexing. What is the error here? Someone guess? What is the error here? Is there any error?
Ma'am, double inverted comma.
Ah, yeah. This message we have ended properly, but beginning is not known. So what it is interpreting? Okay, my indentation also, then automatically it has come to some different location. Okay. So now let's go to print value at. So what is the size of or length of the given string? Yes. What is the length? Anish, what is the length of the string, beta? Yes, ka length. Anish, are you there? Anish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, answer. So what is the length of the string? Yes.
2 and 5.
Hey. I'll give you nicely. What is the length of the string? Yes. Yes is what is? What is it? Anish, look at this. What is yes value? Computer science. Okay. How many total characters are there? That is the length. Is it clear to everyone?
16.
So now tell me, what is the length of yes? A size of yes?
16.
16. Okay. So what is length of T? What is length of T?
20.
20. Let me display.
Ma'am, 18.
Ma'am, 18.
18.
Total characters including spaces.
Ma'am, 18.
18, ma'am.
So here S ka -1 value we will see. Yeah. So that what is the length of T? 18. Okay, ma. So now what reverse indexing is, that is will go to the last character in the string. Okay, are you all listening? Right? Last character. What is the last character in T? In string T, what is the last character?
E.
G, right. In string S, what is the last character?
E.
E.
E, ma'am.
Programming, right? As a computer science, E. So here, this last character's index is, in the forward index, what is the index of this value? Tell me.
15.
15. Very good. Wonderful. So length minus 1, because we started indexing with 0. Right. And here, what is the length? What is the index of G in T? In
Ma'am,
forward
17.
indexing? 17. Wonderful. Right. This same character has negative index, that is minus 1. So we started reverse indexing, right? Backward indexing. So minus 1, then C ka hoga minus 2, then N ka minus 3, then E minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. You're all watching. Minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16. So in negative indexing, whatever the length, those many indices will you can see. Right? Minus 16, because length of the string S is 16. Is it clear? Similarly, so what is the negative index of starting character of T?
Minus 18.
Minus 18. Wonderful. Very good. Right. So now what is the value at minus 1 in string S?
E.
E. E. Small e. Okay. So now let me ask you one more thing. So value at minus 3 in string T. Okay. So now what is this value?
I.
I.
I. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Like that you should calculate. Okay. So hope you all understood. Yes. Now, how to have slicing here? What is this error here? Tell me invalid syntax. What is the error? Because this is a string, okay, which I want to display. And next one is value to be separated
Ma'am,
by
single
comma.
inverted comma.
No, separated by comma. Comma. Comma, I forgot.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. So now if you look at, so now you can see, I is the answer. Okay. Value at minus 1 is E is the answer. Okay, children. Now let me ask you value, that is what must be the result of T minus 3 to minus 5. Minus 5 is inclusive or exclusive? Whenever we have
Ma'am,
slice
exclusive.
operator, this is the starting value. This is the terminating index. Terminating index is always exclusive. Okay. So then, if you display, what must be displayed?
Ma'am, I am.
I and M. Okay. Fine. Now let's see. Got it? But it is what is happening, See, why I and M is expected, right? But what happened? We did not get any result. Why, See, we started minus 3. That is, I say shuru ho gaya. But we are going in the reverse direction. Yes or no? By default, it will be going in the positive direction. To mention that in which direction, how to go, minus 1, like 1 character each in the reverse direction. So we have to give the step. Okay. This is start. This is stop. This is step. Is it clear to everyone? Right. So then what will happen? It will go, first it will take minus 3. What is the value at minus 3? I. Then minus 1. So that is, it will go in the reverse direction. So it will go to -4. Right, what is that value? So it is, yeah, still we have not reached it to -5. So it will take the value at that location, that is M. Is it clear? Now you can see I am, got it? सबको समझ में आ गया? Right. Suppose if you want to skip every character and alternatively, and you want to display from the -1 till the length of t, okay, minus length of t, isn't it? First direction to display children, okay. So then what should we do? We have to give -1 as the step. Now tell me what will be the output of this. Okay. Minus length of t. First character is excluded. Got it? Because this step तक पहुंचेंगे लेकिन step का include नहीं होगा, isn't it? Stop value is not included. Then step is -1. So we are going in the reverse direction. So G, N, I, M, M, A, R, G, O, R, P, space. Okay. Same thing. You can see, no? Programming का पूरा आ गया, लेकिन P is excluded. Right. So now if you want to now P also included? Yes or no? Can you all see, children? So
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how we can have a reverse of a string without changing the content. Okay. So now let me ask you one more thing. Now I'll ask Akhila. Akhila?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now give me result of this thing. Okay. -5 to step 2. Okay, that is otherwise -1 से शुरू करेंगे, ठीक है? So only thing is I have changed the step. Okay, ma'am. Now what must be the output?
Ma'am, will they be alternate characters?
Yes. So it will start with this G, then N is not taken. -1 is not there. -2 no. So then I. Next M is
M.
skipped. M. Next A is
R.
skipped. Next R. Okay.
O.
So that way you will get. You can see the output. Got it? So
Yes, ma'am.
G, then I, then M, then okay. So A is skipped R, G is skipped O, okay, R is skipped P, then space is skipped N, then O is skipped, then H, then T is skipped Y, and P is skipped. Okay. So that way you can give any step. Now from boys side, Aman Raj is there. Aman Raj, now give me answer for this. Aman Raj. Aman Raj is not there. Absent. Harsh Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Harsh, can you give me answer for this, dear? Yes, ka. You can take your pen and paper and quickly you can keep noting down all these results, children. Instead of separately writing notes, no? What you can do is immediately, yeah, this is how it is working. So roughly you can make a table of this, okay, and this is the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that you can write. See, for example, I'll show you how to So you can draw, insert into one. Okay, S equal to computer science now. Okay, children. So now how do we write in your notes? Like make a table of how much is the length here? 16, no? This is C O M P E R. Okay, space science. S C I E N. Hope you are all writing. Yes. Without writing, it will not work, children.
You can keep your screen photo in IP group and you can leave.
Okay, ma. So now this is the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 will be there or not? In forward indexing.
Ma'am, 16 will not be there.
But in negative indexing, minus 16,
16 is minus 16 is there.
minus 15, minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. This way you can write in your notebook, children. So this is forward indexing. I given a different color, and this is negative indexing. Okay, are you all following? So this I will write here one more. I'll insert one column to the left. Okay, so this is the
Yeah,
string.
Moni.
Yes.
So you can post the.
This
your
is
photo, your screen photo.
forward index, and this is negative or reverse index. Okay, backward index. This way you can write immediately, keep noting down in your notebook, children. So then whatever the program I'm explaining, if you write it immediately, you can tell me the answer, right? So from minus 3 to minus 15, okay. So minus 13 to minus 15, step 2. What is the result? Only P. Minus 15 is not inclusive, na? आगे समझ में? Have you all understood, children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah, hope you are all writing. Okay, note down. Just write down in your notes like this. Whatever the string. So there will be output finding questions, children. So whatever the output finding question is there, if you make it like this, no, it will be easy for you to find proper correct output. Okay, ma. So now let me show you here. See whom Shivam? Yeah, Shivam is there, no? Shivam, can you answer this question? Yeah. 0 to length of S, step 3. In the string S, 0 to length of S, step 3. What will be the output? Have you written in your notes? Okay, then you can easily tell me. 0 to length of S. So length of, what is the length of S here?
15.
16.
Six-
Not
16,
15.
16.
Length is total number of characters. 16. Okay. So 0 to length of S means 0 to This 15th character is also inclusive. But what is the step here? What is the step here in this question?
3.
3 is the step. So then,
Three.
what are the characters we will get? First, 0th character will get. Then 0 plus 3 is E. Okay. Then E. Then S. Then E. Then E. Got it? So what is the output then? C, P, E, S, CPES, E. Okay, now let's execute and see whether we are getting the same result or not. Yes or no? You can check. Let me execute once again and show you. You can check the result CPESCE. Correct now? Step 3. Got it,
Yes,
children? Aage samajh mein. So now, yeah. Now I'll ask Akash. Akash. Now Akash will tell me the output of, yes. Okay. 3 to 15. Step 4. Akash. You are not responding, I'll mark absent only. You are joining now and see it is not at all correct. 9:15. Class started at 8:30. Yes, ma Akash. Respond here. What will be the result of this? Yes, within the square brackets with slicing 3, 15, 4. 3 is the starting index. 15 is the stop, that is not inclusive. And 4 is the step. Akash, are you there? Akash, unmute yourselves. Akshat Vaibhav, can you tell me, ma'am? Akshat Vaibhav. Akshat Vaibhav, can you answer?
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, ma'am.
Anirudh wants to speak. No, you would like to answer, ma'am? I think Akshat is ready. Akshat, can you tell me, ma'am? Yeah, others please mute. Akshat answering, right? Akshat unmuted. Okay. Akshat, speak out, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
yes, this statement I have written. Okay. So now what must be the output? Yes, you are having no here computer science. I think
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have written in your notebook
Yes, ma'am.
now how I have shown. So now starting index is 3. Then step is 4 till
Yes, ma'am.
15. That is 15.
15.
Till 15 means till 14 only. 15 is not inclusive. So what must be the output? 3 से शुरू करेंगे. That is P. Okay. So 3 plus 4, 7. R.
7.
Okay,
R.
7 plus 4.
I.
Yeah, correct. Then 11 plus 4 is how much?
15.
15 is inclusive or exclusive?
Exclusive.
Then what is the result now? Finally tell me.
Ma'am. PRI.
Correct. So now let us execute and see whether his result is correct or not. His answer is correct or not. Correct or not? You can see PRI.
Yes,
Once
ma'am.
again, I will execute and show you. Can you all see, children? PRI is correct. So Akshat's answer is correct. Wonderful, Akshat. Very good. Right. So now I'll ask someone. Aman Raj. Aman Raj is not responding. What happened? Aman, unmute yourselves. You have to show me, turn on your video and show me also, no? Your face. Ujjwal. Ujjwal Deep. Ujjwal
Yes,
Deep.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now give me answer for this. P minus 3 to minus 10. Okay. Step is minus 3. Okay, ma. So now what must be the result of this? Quickly, all of you can solve by then. You can write down in your notebook, Tika, all the forward indexing, negative indexing, you can keep ready so that what you know,
IAO, I think. Answer, result will be IAO.
sorry,
Ma'am, the result will be IAO.
I
AO.
A O. That much only. Okay, let me give it and check. IAO. Wonderful. Very good. Understood. सबको समझ में आ गया बेटा? और किसी को डाउट है इसमें? String indexing? हर्ष, अनिरुद्ध, आ गई समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, अनु, Akshay,
Yes, ma'am.
Akshay joined late. Akshat correctly he gave the answer. Akila समझ में आ गया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Very good. So now किसी को डाउट है? मनशिंदर, Mayank, Pranav, anyone is having doubt? Priyanshu, Sanskriti. Okay. So now let's proceed. Indexing, no doubt, right? Indexing and slicing we have done. Length also we have done. Is it clear to everyone? Right? So now you can see. Suppose here though I have given starting value, step value, and stop, right? Start, stop, step. Suppose if I have not given, just I left it like that, what will happen? See, suppose, yes, starting I have given.
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
didn't understand that minus 3, minus 10, minus 3.
Yeah, minus 3 से शुरू करो. कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? Negative indexing, right? And we
Yes,
want to go in the reverse direction, minus 3. Okay. So where do we start? This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3 is how much? I. Correct? Then. So here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So then
A.
Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. How much?
O.
Then minus
That
1,
is 13.
minus 2,
Okay,
minus
ma'am.
3. But this is, what is this index?
10.
Minus 10 तो include नहीं करना है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? So before that itself we have to stop, right?
Got it,
So
ma'am.
only IAO. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now let's proceed and see if we have not given, neither step nor stop. Okay. So what will happen? By default, it will reach to the end, till the end. Okay, ma. So now that means from where do we get the output? From third index till the end. Okay, that is till end means now you tell me from this string, yes. What is the third index value? C is 0, O is 1, M is 2, P is 3. So pewter science should be the answer. Is it clear to everyone? So now you can see pewter science got. So here, if you have not given, by default, it will take you till the end of the string. Is it clear to everyone? Now, for example, one more negative indexing, if you have done, what will happen? Minus 1 and left it off. Then what will happen, children? Can someone guess? May not be correct answer, but okay, you can guess, no. What is that? What must be the result?
Ma'am, what's the question again?
See, here I am typing, no. Yes, minus 1 colon. What must be the result?
Ma'am, everything except minus 1, that is E.
Is it? Okay. So someone else guess.
Or just E.
Okay. Shivam, what is your answer? Sumit, what is your answer? Sumit? Keith? Keith Kaur? Unmute ma, unmute yourself and speak.
मैम एक बार वापस बोल सकते हो, मेरा यहाँ पे वॉइस कट हो गया था.
Okay, okay. Sumit, yes ma, tell me.
मैम वो मेरा वॉइस कट हुआ था, इसे सुन नहीं पाया क्या आप आपने बोला अभी.
See, for this print statement, what is the result?
मैम E.
E. Okay, yeah. Sayan Das, can you give me what will be the result for this statement?
Ma'am, we can also use a triple quote.
Yeah, triple quote is multi-line string, ma.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma.
ma'am,
Yes.
computer science in opposite order.
Computer science in opposite order. Okay. See, here we have not given the step also. When we have not given step, it will be going in the forward direction. By default, step value is 1, not -1. Now you can guess. -1 का right side कुछ है? Now let's execute and see. Okay, only E is the answer. Got it, children? So if you want to go in the reverse direction, step should be -1. Na? Are you following? So stop we don't want to give, but if you want to go in the reverse direction, we should give step also. Then only you will get in the reverse direction till the beginning. Okay, otherwise it will be going in the forward direction only. Is it clear to everyone? Yes. So then one more colon, then give step. Then it will go in the reverse direction till the starting character. So stop is not mentioned. Now you can see. Now in the reverse direction you got. Is it clear? Have you all understood? So it is really, we can enjoy this, no? Yes or no? It's really kind of puzzling. Okay. Any doubt here, children?
Ma'am, can you show the result again?
See, if we have only -1 colon, that means step is by default which one? Positive one, right? So it will be looking forward, looking in the right side. So it will be starting from E and going in the forward direction. Is there any other character left out? No. So only E will be output at this statement. But here, if you want to go in the reverse direction, what must be the step? Step is -1. So first slice ke before, first value is the starting index. Next is the terminating index, that is the end. End we are not telling. And then step is -1. So -1 means go in the reverse direction by taking the 1 character. Okay. So by then see E -1 is C -1 is N -1 is E -1 is I -1 is C, then S, then space, then R, E, T, U, P, M, O, C. Okay. So if you want to get that result, step is also required. Is it clear, ma'am? Understood? Is it clear to everyone? Yes? So
Yes,
today
ma'am.
today what and all we have done? Traversing. Okay. So if you want to traverse without using any loop and all, how do we do that? Slice operation we have done. Okay. So, and then comparisons and all we will do later. But today what and all you learned? Slicing on the strings. Right? So other functions and all we will see in the next class. But now we will have a quiz after 5 minutes. Now complete notes and quickly note down all those points, whatever we discussed now. Okay, I'll be sharing the document here in the chat box. You can also execute and check this coding. Okay, children. So here is the Python program file. Is discussion. Okay, ma'am. So now you all can go through, complete your notes quickly, whatever we discussed now.
मैम हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम तक कहाँ कितना तक आएगा मैम?
Yeah. So that I'll tell you, when is your half yearly schedule has come?
No मैम.
Whatever the syllabus we have completed just 1 week or 15 days before half yearly.
Ma'am, we didn't get that file, ma'am.